Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see question number 4 and question number 5 of exercise 7.6 of class 6th. Its question number 4 is filling the boxes. So we have to fill box with fraction that will get after solving the equation. Here we have box and near to box we have value that is minus 5 by 8 equal 1 by 4. You can see near to box minus 5 by 8. So we want to send this minus 5 by 8 to opposite side. So whenever we are shifting digit, so they will change their symbol. It means when minus will go at the opposite of equal, so it will go as a positive, and when positive will go at the opposite side of equal, it will go as a minus. So here minus 5 by 8 will go opposite side, but after which number? After already presented number, that is fraction 1 by 4. This is already presented. After it, minus 5 by 8 will go as plus 5 by 8. Now we can see in the box we will get the value, we will get the fraction that will be result of 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. You can see their LCM are different. So we will take LCM of 4 and 8. So LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So first fraction that we have, that is 1 by 4, and second fraction is 5 by 8. We want both of them as denominator 8. So here we have 1 by 4. So we will compare with the help of denominator. Here we have denominator as 4. So in the table of 4, 8 comes how many times? 8 comes 2 times. So we are multiplying in the denominator. Same number we will multiply in the numerator. So that 1 2s are is 2. Here already we have 8 in the denominator. So it will multiply with 1. Same number we have to multiply in the numerator. So that 5 into 1 is 5. It means this both fraction value we will put on their places. We have box such that 1 by 4. On the place of 1 by 4, what we have to put? 2 by 8 plus. On the place of 5 by 8, same number will come as 5 by 8. You can see their denominator are same. It means they will combine their denominator at a single time only, and 2 by 5 as it is. So that 2 by 5, 2 plus 5 is 7 by 8. So in the box what will come? 7 by 8. Its B part is box minus 1 by 5 equal 1 by 2. Same, we have box and near to box we have value with the subtraction symbol. So this minus 1 by 5 we will send to opposite side. So opposite side already which number? Already we have fraction 1 by 2. So after 1 by 2 our shifting fraction will come. Here already this is in the minus. So it will go opposite side in the addition. Addition 1 by 5. What is remaining here in the left hand side? Left hand side remaining, that is box. You can see their denominator are different. So we will take their LCM. I hope you all know how to take the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. We have first fraction that is 1 by 2 and second fraction as 1 by 5. We want both denominator as what? As LCM. LCM is 10. So we want both denominator as 10. first fraction is 1 by 2 and second fraction is 1 by 5. In the table of 2, 10 comes 5 times. So 5 will multiply in the denominator and in the numerator. So 1 5s are 5. Here 1 by 5. Already we have 5 and we want to make 5 as 10. So that in the table of 5, 10 comes 2 times. And we are multiplying by 2. Same number we have to multiply in the numerator. So that 1 2s are 2. Now we will go at the previous term, that is box 1 by 2. Now we made 1 by 2 as 5 by 10. So here 5 by 10 plus is here, so plus will also come here. 1 by 5. Our 1 by 5 became 2 by 10. You can see their denominator is same, so they will combine their two denominator at a single time only. In the numerator we have 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 will give 7 by 10. This will be the box value in the case B. C part is 1 by 2 minus box is equal to 1 by 6. Now we have to send this 1 by 2. So firstly see the symbol of 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 did not have any symbol. That means it is having the symbol of addition. So when it will go opposite side, so 1 by 6 is already there. So 1 by 2 will go. Here is it in the addition. So it will go in the subtraction 1 by 2. Now what is remaining at the left hand side? Left hand side box with subtraction symbol remaining. Now you can see here we have different denominator. That's why we will take LCM of 6 and 2. So again we will get LCM as 6. Now we have two fractions, that is 1 by 6 and 1 by 2. We want to make their denominator as 6. In the first fraction we already have 6. That's why we are multiplying by 1 in the denominator and numerator both. So 6 1 is 6, 1 1 is 1. In the next fraction we have in the denominator 2. So in the table of 2, 6 come 3 times. Same number will multiply in the numerator. So 1 3s are 3. Now we have already minus box is equal to 1 by 6. So it will change as 1 by 6 because it is already having the 6 in the denominator. So nothing will change in this fraction. But 1 by 2 will change as 3 by 6. 3 by 6. Here minus box. You can see they both having the same denominator, so they will combine their denominator at a single time only. In the numerator we have remaining 1 minus 3. Now we already learned the integers, so plus. Here our 1 is presented as plus, so plus minus is minus, plus minus is minus. 3 minus 1 is 2. Who is greater number? 3 is greater number, having the symbol of minus. So here minus will also come and it is 6. Here we have minus, so we are cutting minus to the both side. If on the equal side, opposite side we have same symbol, so they will cut to each other. Minus to minus cut and we will get addition. So box is here. Here 2 1 is 2, 2 3s are 6. So what we will get? 1 by 3. So this is the solution of C of question number 4th. Question number 5th is complete the addition and subtraction box. So we have two parts, A and B. You can see we have this 5 boxes as blank, so we have to fill it. Here also we have 5 box empty. So we have to fill it. But how we have to fill it? When we are going from left to right, we have to add. And when we are going from top to down, we have to subtract. You can see here we have the empty boxes. So let's do the numbering. Here first, second, okay? First, second, because first and second will give us this box. That's why I started from this number. Now this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. So for the first, let's see for the first one. For the first one, what we have to do? We have to take this number 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So you can see their base is same, denominator is same, so it will combine their denominator at a single time. And 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 3 as it is. So what we will get? We will get 1 by 3 in this box. Okay. Second one is this section. This section is telling us to subtract from 4 by 3, 2 by 3. Again we have base as a 3, so it will combine their denominator. 4 minus 2, it will give us 2 by 3. So in the second one, what will come? 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3. Now for the third, our third is where? Third is here. Third is telling to add 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. So base is same, denominator is same, so numerator will add to each other, so that 2 and 4 will give us 6 divided by 3. We can easily cut. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. So that third answer is 2. So what will come here? 2. Now fourth one, again we have to start with left and add with next one. First is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Again we have same denominator, so it will comes only one time, so that 1 plus 3 is 4. Sorry, here is 2. You can see here is 2. That's why 2 is here, and here 3 by 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 to 3 cut, so it will give 1. Okay. So in the fourth one, which value will come? 1. Now the last fifth box, that is having first number as a 1 by 3. It will add, because we are going from left to right, so it will add with 2 by 3. Again we have same denominator, so 3 will come only one time. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 by 3. So both will cut at a one time, so we have 1. Here also 1. Same we will do in the B1, but one more thing is there. In this section, in the A1, we have same denominator in every case, but here we have somewhere and the denominator 2, somewhere 3, somewhere 4. So we have to solve them with the help of LCM method. Let's see. In B1, same we have to do. Here I did the numbering first, second, because first and second will give the result of fifth. So we will start from this. You can see when we are going from left to right, we have to add, and when we are going from top to bottom, we have to subtract. So for the first, we have to following subtraction, and second also we have to follow subtraction. So that 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. This will gives the result of first one. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, different denominator, that's why we have to take their LCM. LCM is 6. So our 1 by 2 is changed into 3 by 6, and 1 by 3 is changed into 2 by 6. So we will put their value on the places. So 1 by 2 is 3 by 6 minus 1 by 3 as 2 by 6. Same denominators on the, so they will combine their denominator as single time only. 3 minus 2 is 1, denominator is same. So 1 minus 6 is the value of first. So here on the place of first we will write 1 by 6. For the second, same we will do 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Here 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Different denominator, so we will take their LCM 3 and 4, we will get 12. 1 by 3 is changed into 4 by 2. So on the place of 1 by 3, 4 by 12 minus as it is. On the place of 1 by 4, we have to write 3 by 12. So here 3 by 12. Same denominator, that's why denominator will come only one time. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 by 12 is the value of which? Second one. So here in the second one section we will put 1 by 12. Now for the third one. Third one, what we have to do? In the third one we will do 1 by 2. Now we are going at the right hand side. For the right hand side we have to follow addition. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, denominator is different, that's why we will take their LCM and we will get as a 6. So 1 by 2 is changed as 3 by 6 and 1 by 3 is changed as 2 by 6. Now denominator is same, so it will comes only one time. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 6 is the value of third. So here 5 by 6. Same we did for the fourth and same we did for the fifth. In the fourth, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. On the place of 1 by 3, we have to write 4 by 12 because 3 and 4 LCM is 12. 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12. Denominator is same, so it will comes only one time. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 by 12 is the value of fourth. So here 7 by 12. Fifth is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. LCM is 12. So both denominator is changed into 12. So 1 by 6 is changed into 2 by 12 plus 1 by 12 will remain same. 2 plus 1 is 3 and denominator will combine together at a single time only. 3 1 is 3. 3 4s are 12. It means fifth one value is 1 by 4. So here we completed our question number 5th.